What's going on, everyone? Joe back with Grill Joe's Barbecue, and welcome back to my entryway. We're here again to build another grill. And as you can probably tell by the packaging, it's a Monument Grills, their brand new model they have coming out. Make sure to hit that link in the description to check it out. This is the M2415BZ. So we're gonna get this thing opened up, get it built, and then we're gonna do some cooking on it. I'm gonna be cooking tonight some of my AK Land and Cattle beef. I got some of their ground beef and their brats. I'm gonna make some burgers and brats. No better way to break into Monument Grills than with some high quality beef. Click the link in my description for the AK Land and Cattle link. You can get some amazing beef delivered to your door. I have a 10% off discount with my code in there. Oklahoma beef, make sure you hit that link and get you some high quality beef. Let's get this opened up and built. As usual, my trusty pocket knife. Link in the description for this. I'm actually getting this thing sharpened this week. I'm working with a local guy. He comes to people's houses and he sharpens knives, so I'm super excited because this thing is duller than, I don't know, a butter knife. But make sure you check out that video here soon too. As usual, Monument Grills has that great packaging. We got wood in here to protect the grill. I've never had any of these come damaged. They've always been great. I even had that one that got thrown off the back of a shipping truck and it was fine. The MESA 2 series, that's what we're putting together today. This actually comes with two separate sets of instructions. You have your assembly instructions and your operating instructions. Something I always like to talk about with their monuments, even stuff like this packaging. So many things that come with all your bolts and nuts and screws, and like the cardboard with the plastic on top, so as soon as you open it, it all falls to pieces. This is a resealable tray that has all your parts in it, labeled on the top and the bottoms. Got B, looks like F and G aren't used in this one. Barely any part. Like, this is bare minimum on what you need to use to put this grill together. So I've always been happy with how Monument has done their assembly. So we're not going to cover the whole assembly of this. I've built a lot of monuments on my channel, so if you want to see a full build, there's multiple out there. I'm just going to put this together and then we'll get back to when we fire it up and we start cooking that AK Land and Cattle on it. So we'll see it in just a second. Alrighty guys, check it out. The new MESA 2 series. Overall, I'm liking the design. I think it looks really sleek. You have the black with the red all over it. The handles, black on red, looking good. You got the black on red on the wheels. I think it all looks really nice. It went together super easy. There's just a lot of stuff on this one that I haven't seen before on the MESA series. So we'll get to checking it out here in a second. The side does have a collapsible shelf. I always enjoy that. On the other side, you have your burner to, pots and pans, boiling water. Something you'll notice compared to the other ones, there's no see-through window. Not a big deal for me. I thought it was cool, but it's not really a necessary thing. You don't really need to look at your stuff cooking. And after a few cooks, it'll get a little foggy. You have to clean it a lot, so I am okay with this. I like the red accent around here. When you get to the inside, you'll notice you have your Monument Grills branding on the back. This is a little bit different take on your normal, usually have that grate here to put your warming stuff on. This is an easy removable piece. Goes right in. Still can use it as a warming rack. Kind of a little bit different design. This has 3 different grates. These are cast iron grates. You have a longer one over here which has the 2 normal type burners. And then over here on the right side, have 2 smaller grates with the broil zone side has these types over here, which can give you a hotter flame for searing. So that'll be interesting to try. You will notice quite a few differences between this one and their previous grills. They went away from all their battery stuff. There's no lights on the controls here. There's no push button starters. They all have the hard starters for them. And it has on each of the burners. So they went away from the all electronics on this one, which I don't really mind. Less to go wrong, less to go bad. And when you're getting out there and grilling, the LEDs and stuff don't matter as much. It matters how well it cooks. So with that, let's get our burgers made up for my AK Land and Cattle beef. And then the brats are already thawed out, ready to go. So we'll get those burgers going and then we'll fry them up on the new Monument grill. So we'll see how it cooks. All right guys, it's time to prepare the meat for the new Monument grill. Like I said before, we got that AK Land and Cattle ground beef. We have a pound of that, and then we got some of their beer bratwurst. We got 4 of those. So I'm gonna be throwing those on the grill, and then I'll be mixing this up with just a little bit of seasonings and stuff, and we'll get some patties made up and throw those on the grill as well. Make sure you hit that link in my bio to go check out AK Land and Cattle. You can get a subscription, or you can just order one-offs and get them shipped directly to your door, and you can get 10% off with my code. So make sure you click it and go check out their beef. We'll just cut these brats open, throw them on the old tray here, get them ready to go. Oh, they smell good. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this pound of ground beef in here. I'm not gonna add a lot to it. The beef speaks for itself, it tastes amazing, but I just like to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Mix that in there. And then a teeny bit of liquid smoke, because I'm not smoking these. Just gives it a little bit of that flavor. You don't need a ton, just a little. That stuff is pretty powerful. And then this says Mad Scientist salt and pepper, but I've put salt, pepper, and garlic in here now because I ran out, so I just refilled it myself. Just gonna salt, pepper, garlic these, mix it all up, and make some patties. Got a handful. Beautiful. A little salt, pepper, garlic on there. That we're ready to go out. We're gonna get that grill fired up, get a good burn in, let all those industrial oils and everything from the manufacturing process get burned off, and then we'll throw in our AK Land and Cattle beef on there. So we're only using the 2 left burners. The 2 right are, like I said, the broil zone. I did turn them on high just to get the help burning everything off. It got up to around 600-700 degrees, so pretty amazing. But now we have everything on the left. It is smelling so good. This AK Land and Cattle beef is just so good. Cannot wait to get in here. Let's get to flipping, see how they look. Using the BBQ Craft. I believe this is the Excalibur. Beautiful work of art. All right, guys, we are back inside. Oh, perfection on the Monument grills with that AK Land and Cattle beef. Smells amazing. Cannot wait to get into this. We're just gonna have to make up a little dinner here. I forgot to buy an onion, so we're going onionless today. Just like that for my burger. And we're real simple with our brats. Just that ketchup. All you need. When you have high quality beef, you don't even need this. You could just eat this plain. You know, when I was on keto, we never had any of the buns or anything. We just eat the meat only. Fantastic when you have high quality beef. Make sure you hit that link in the bio. You can check out the beef and the grill. But for me, we're gonna try it out now. gonna go in on the brat. They have lots of different flavors on their website, so make sure you check all those out. Oh yeah, guys. Tons of flavor. You saw that fire kissing up the meat, getting that charbroil on there. Fantastic. It's juicy, flavorful. That's just their beer brat. They have jalapeno, they have all sorts of different flavors, so you gotta try out all of them. Let's get in on that burger. There's just no beating high quality beef. It's so good. You can just tell the difference right away from just getting your meat from Walmart and this stack full of everything that everyone's eating, or when you have this high quality stuff delivered to your door. Fantastic. Click that link, try it out, get the discount. And that new monument, love it. I only used the 2 burners on the side, which was obviously plenty of room. I could have done more burgers and brats on that side. Then you have the whole other side. And if you're doing some sears on some steaks, that charbroil side, you can get really, really hot. You can get really good sear on it. They have the char zone. Overall, super easy build. It seems really high quality. All my other monuments have lasted, and I've actually sent them off. My brother has one up at college now. My dad has one at his house. They've been using them. The fire department still has the one I donated to them a couple of years back. They're all working great. So make sure you check out the Monument Grill's new grills as well. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. And we'll see you next time. We're gonna have more AK land and cattle meat to cook. So I can't wait to get into more of them. So thank you so much. We'll see you. I'm just gonna be having the best dinner right here.